To insert into Microsoft. Remember in our last lesson we talk about picture and they will show you everything under the picture. Today we'll look at clip art, shape and the rest. So let's start with clip art. Now clip art are those images that is already designed on the system, and some of them you can use it when you are typing. Like maybe you are typing exam question, I want to use ball. So you go to search here where you see clip art. You see this is clip art dialog box. So you search for what are you searching for? Ball. So once you click on it, it will show you different type of ball they have on the system. You see it many one. So assuming I need this type, I will click on it. So once I click on it, the ball will come. Remember I explained to you yesterday that this object will not be able to move. What do we do to make the object move? Where are we going to?
Design.
How do you go to design? You click on it, you go to what? When you go to design, what is the next thing to go to? Where is the next place to go to? Where is the next place to go to make the object to move? You go to wrap text. So from wrap text you can select square. So and then so that the object will be able to move. So select square, object will be able to move, and you can adjust your object, you can increase the object depending on how you want it to be. So this is how I want it to be. So and I remember again, so any object you're looking for, it's not all the object that is here now. It's not all the objects you find in computer. So look at this one. We type apple down. This is type of apple that they have. So it's not objects, every object you see there. So but little one that is there, you can make use of them. That's how to insert it. I think I can close that side. Now another way of inserting object is by what? Shape. You can draw shape, any type of shape you want, you can make use of it. Shape like this, you can do it. And what, when you draw shape, it will take it to what? Take it to format here. The drawing tools. So format, from there you can now change the shape fill. Shape fill, you can change it, which is the one that is inside the what? The fill is inside of the object is what we call fill. While shape outline is those lines at the edge of your drawing is what we call what? Shape outline. So we have shape effect. You can also apply effect to it anyhow you want it to be. Effect is there, shadow is there, and the reflection is there, move is there, all of them. We have bravo and so on. We have 3D. You have the one of 3D. So anyhow you want it, you can you can put any kind of what? Effect to your object. So that's how to draw object. So that's why, and there's no only that one. You can design something like this. Remember I told you this place is supposed to be white, isn't it?
Yes.
You go to shape fill. If you want it to be white, you say no what? No fill. No fill means that there's no anything. There will not be anything inside. There will not be any what? Any shade inside, any color inside. If you want to change the line, that is the color of the line, that is the edge, you can also come here and go to what? Shape outline to change to the one you like. Now in this case you can use this kind of shape to design many things. You can use this one to design another shape. So this one, I can use this one to design another shape. So by using like this, okay, from here like this, now I can go back there, go back to shape and draw the what? Draw the edge. So to do what? To do keyboard and the rest. So I can use it to design something like this, something like this, something like this. So you look at it now. It's not okay now. From there I can design to what? To change the font, to change the shape color, the outline of it to black, and to add what weight to it. So look at where you add weight to it, so that it be equal to the one you draw before. So are they not equal now? So from here now you can now go to select. You go to select object. So to select everything together, so that everything will what be able to move together. Before now they cannot move together, but now I want to select all of them together by pressing Control key down. You press Control key down and you'll be picking the remaining object. As you are picking them, they will what? They will be giving you this kind of sign. You see now? So from there you can now right click on it. You right click. Once you right click on it, it will show you group, and you call what? Click on group. So you'll now be able to move all of them together. So the shape will already grouped together, and then we can move them together, we can adjust it together, we can do anything together with it. So when it's on group, you will not be able to move them together. Assuming I want to move this one, it's only this one that will come out, because it's not what? It's not grouped together. So but when it's grouped together, you can move all of them at the same time. But when it's not grouped, you can only move one. Do you understand what the meaning of group and ungroup now?
Yes.
It's not only that one you can use shape to do. You can use it to draw curve, design anything you like, something like this. Inside I want it to be what? White. Abi? Yes. So we go to shape fill and go to what? Color like this. We can also go back to shape and draw the what? The handle. So you come here, you draw something like this. Now anywhere you see this sign, it mean what? Rotation. That's why you used to rotate your object. Do you see it now?
Yes.
You can use it to rotate any sign of object. Go to no fill, and then you can, after you rotate it, you adjust it and move it closer to what? To the cup. So if it's not okay, it's not where I rotate, you adjust it again and move it the way it's supposed to move. So from here like this now, you see. So it's already what? Is in order now. So do you see the cup now? So the cup is okay now. Does not look like cup? Eh?
Yes.
So that's other shape. You can design something like, you can design many things. You can design clock. Yes, you can do a different type of clock with shape. You go back here, you draw this shape. As me is this kind of rectangle clock I want to design. I go to what? No fill inside. I don't want anything to be inside, and the edge of this to what? To be black. From there now, from here now you now go to insert again. Inside you now go to what? This text box. Do you see it?
Yes.
Text box. So you click on text box. This is your text box, isn't it?
Yes.
We now typing number inside. Now in the text box, if you click out, you see your text box has what? Has line at the edge. So I don't want the text box to have line at the edge. You click on it and also go to what? Format, and go to what? Shape, no fill, and what? No outline. But the shape is still there like that. Do you see there's no what? No any line. Have you any line is there?
No.
No. So from there now you can now move it. You can now be moving the line. If you copy it and paste, copy and paste, and be changing the what? The numbers. So this one will be 3 and what? Here will be 3 and 9. So we'll be changing the numbers. Before you know, the clock is what? Is almost ready. See, you press Ctrl C, which is copy, and then Ctrl V, which is paste. So from here now I can write what? 12. This is 12, isn't it? Here can be what? Here can be 3. While here can be what? 9. This one can be 9. This one can be 9. Why this one can be what?
6.
This one can be 6. So this one can be 6. So and that's how you continue do it till you get everything. So once you get everything, it's now left for you to what? To go back to insert and use what? Use this kind of draw the what? Draw the middle. That's draw the something like this. That's and make it. You can make it black. So you go back to insert again and use your what? use the arrow, the one that will